Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchy hair tie. This method is really easy and it doesn't require stringing the elastic through a channel, and it leaves you with a really professional looking end result. So let's get into it.
For each scrunchie, you will need a 22 by 4 inch piece of fabric. You can make scrunchies out of tons of different types of materials, so today I'm going to be using stretch velvet, peach skin, taffeta, and gingham. Any apparel weight fabric will work well. You will also need to cut a 7-inch piece of elastic for each scrunchie. Attach the elastic to the fabric by sewing it to the direct center of the short edge on the wrong side of the fabric. Sew the elastic to both ends. Line up the long edges of the fabric with the right sides together. Just ignore the elastic here and make sure that the edges are matched up evenly. Sew up this edge, leaving 2 inches unsewn at the beginning and the end. Now, turn the fabric right side out. The scrunchies that I am making are on the larger side. I have really thick hair that I like to wear pretty long, and honestly, it was a lot easier to demonstrate with a larger size. I'm going to include measurements for other size scrunchies on our blog, including a size for children, so that will be linked above and in the description box down below. Find the elastic and pin it so it's lying flat on both ends. The elastic will bunch up the fabric on the inside of your pins, but you want the unsewn ends to be smoothed out. Sew the open ends with right sides together. Fold in the opening so the raw edge is hidden and the seams match up. Sew right along the edge. You could use a machine to do a simple top stitch, or if you don't want a visible stitch line, you could hand sew this opening closed using an invisible stitch. If you don't know how to hand sew an invisible stitch, I will link our tutorial above and in the description down below.
And now your scrunchie is complete. If you're looking to make these in bulk, I really recommend breaking down each step and building them up all at the same time, as opposed to finishing one and then starting another. It's honestly such a huge time saver. Thank you so much for watching this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting tutorials, tips, and tricks, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
The materials you will need for this project are fabric, elastic, scissors, a ruler, pins, thread, and a sewing machine.